Hello and welcome. Today is our first user case. About a month ago, a company approached me to program their Resolume for a dance show with Ledstrips from Lucenti. They provided me with some documents. So Resolume output mapping. So they already did the output mapping for the Lucenti strips. And they also gave me a DMX patch. So that's handy. Let's check the patch. So as you can see, there are 28 squares, but they skipped the 25, 26, 27, and 28. So from 1 through 24 will be programmed. They wanted to have each square colorized and controlled so they can control it with a lighting desk. So each square has its opacity, its RGB. So they can push a solid color or a video over it. That's the thing we will be making today. Let's go to Resolume and let's check the output map. First off, output, advanced output. Let's import the output map. As you can see, they already programmed everything. That makes the job a lot easier, but still some work. Let's open up everything so we can see what we're playing with. They didn't provide me with a fixture file. They're all dummies. So if I provide the Resolume file back, they just have to change the fixture back to Lucenti strip fixture. So that's the only work they will be doing after they received it. They already made masks, but we don't need that. We just make a new screen at the bottom and go to input map. Okay, let's start. The easiest way would be to make squares of each. Can be a little bit bigger, doesn't matter at all. Maybe just for reference, it's easy to name them. And if we have a full line, we can just duplicate it and copy it to the next. 1 through 6, copy and paste 7 till 12, and just putting it over. Nineteen till 24, and that's done. You can hide it or you cannot. Your choice, doesn't matter. Save. Now for the Resolume parts. we will have 24 squares, so that means 24 layers. Maybe we'll just make them and name them first, so it's easier to work with. And maybe we'll make a group out of it because it's easier to hide and unhide. So 1, and if we just duplicate, can we? Yes, 4, 5, just duplicate until 24. Oops. And that's already done. Now they want another layer to select their videos or a solid color. So we go to source, solid color, put it in layer 25. Maybe we'll call this a video layer, give it a color. Okay, maybe the group, we rename the group to strips. So now solid color selected. So now we need to make a source that takes layer video to square 1. Maybe with a video router. Input is a video, and that's already done. But now it's full screen. We needed to have it on 1 square. So slice. If you don't see the slice tab, view, show slices. So slice 1, put it on top, and now it's going to slice 1. Change from fill to mask, and that's already done. They also want to control the color. We take the colorize, put it below slice transform. Contrast we bump up to 0.5. Change the color from pick to RGB so they can control the RGB. And that's halfway done. Now we can just copy and paste them. Okay, just trigger them. Now you can see nothing changed, but it's because square 2 is still slice 1. So we need to change on every layer the slice transform to its corresponding square. That's done. So if you want to check, put a linescape, and now you have this running over your slices. And for double check, you can see they're running over the strips. Okay, And now for the most time-consuming parts, we'll start with the DMX. We'll take the opacity from the video router. Always start a new project. So you don't miss anything. DMX. This clip, very important, this clip. Red. This clip. This clip. This clip. And that's channel 1 done. Escape. Select router 2. 6. 8, 9. Very important. This clip. This clip. This clip. This clip. Else it won't work. We can do the video selection. Herefore, we can use a blank. Name it video. Copy. Five times. 10 times. And 20 times. Let's check what they have for an address. 121, 151. This clip, 151. This clip, 152, 53. This clip. This clip. This clip. That's also done. Now they want some extra effects like strobe with a speedmaster and a dim. So let's make another layer, call it FX, with a strobe, source, strobe. The frequency will be the speed, so 150. Let's do this here. This clip, 150. And we will change the color of color to alpha 0%. So if you trigger it, you can also see the squares behind it. Let's make another one with a black strobe. And let's check what they need for FX1 dim. One for one. 1 for 1. This layer. The strobe will be 1 for 8. this clip 148 and the other one special 147. Double check this clip 150, this clip also 150 because it's a speed. Okay, cool. They will be adding some extra effects, so I will be screen sharing and programming the rest when they are programming the show. But this is almost done. I know there are easier ways to do it with wire patch or with other things, but it's native. It works. So if you have questions, please comment below, and I see you next time.